Today on All Star Medical, we're going to look at some very bizarre and unusual medical procedures. First off, we have a parasitic twin. This is an 8-year-old Indian boy. This occurs when identical twins in utero fail to separate appropriately. Next, we have Mustafa Ismail. He's from Egypt and he has the world's largest biceps. The reason his arms are so big is because he's been injecting a synthetic oil to pump them up. And this is 15-year-old Elsa. She has an eating disorder, which caused her to dehydrate, so she had to spend her birthday in the hospital. Years later, at 19, she's completely healthy, so click like for her. This next image comes to us from Asia, where this woman desperately tries to jump off a building. Fortunately, rescue workers were able to save her life. Kudos to them. Next up, take a moment to digest this incredible pimple pop. Under the microscope at about 80 times magnification, you can see the loop being applied to the skin, then pressure, then this closed comedone being excised of bacteria. Stick around because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get an amazing set of comedone extractor tools at an incredible price. High quality tools, low price, coming up here in a moment. Meanwhile, this inmate has an addiction issue, and she's been picking at her own skin. Can you imagine having this sort of mental problem and addiction issue? And here's the Indian boy from the beginning of the video, post removal of his parasitic twin.
Hey folks, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a quick message about how to get rid of blackheads like the pros. If you've got to get rid of some blackheads, it's safer to use an extractor like this one. We looked around on Amazon and found this kit, which has a variety of different extractors, including a lancet, and has a great quality to price ratio. Thanks again for sticking around. Check out the link in the description if you'd like to get a kit for yourself. See you next time.